Chapter number 2, Logic Gates and Wave Shaping Circuit. So first introduction. A diode is widely used in electronic circuit. So mostly diode is used to convert AC signal into DC signal. That means it is used as a rectifier. But sometimes this diode it is also used as a switch, clamping circuit and clamping circuit. So and unrequired portion of wave shape is removing by using the diodes and the resistors. And also bias clipper circuit uses the battery. Now DC signal is inserted into AC signal with the help of diode in clamping circuit. For that it's required diode, capacitor and resistors. Now next, the transistor, it is widely used or it is used as an amplifier which is used to increase the level of the signal. That means it is used as an amplifier, but it is also used as a switch and also as a oscillator. So now in this chapter we will study about the transistor and diodes are used as a switch. And next in this chapter we will also study about the different types of logic gates which is very useful to make digital circuits. Mostly the main gates and OR and NOT gates are covered in this chapter, and how to convert or how to make NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate with the help of your basic gates. So, like AND gate by using AND gate, OR gate or NOR gate. So it is the most important chapter. So first of all, what is switch? Now switch is a one types of device. It is used to on off the current in the circuit. So we can control. You can say that we can control the equipment by using this switch. Now for that, as a switch, for that we are using electromagnetic switch or mechanical switch. But both switches, electromagnetic switch and magnetic switch, has higher inertia. That means it takes more time to turn on or turn off the circuit or the equipment. That means we can say that the ratio of on-off time period, the time required for on and off is more. That means it is not the on-off time is not quick. That is the main drawback. Now that means we can say that due to this problem, due to this inertia, the switching frequency cannot be kept above its certain limit. That means there is some limits, and when your contacts break down, that time sparking occurs across the terminals. That is a main problem. Now to avoid this problem, that means to avoid the switching to increase the switching frequency and for the sparking, there are the main two problems. So to avoid this problem, electronic switch is used instead of electromagnetic switch or magnetic switch. Now for that electromagnetic switch, for that we are using diode and transistor. So you can say that here diode and transistor are used as an electronic switch. So now the main advantage of this switch is the speed. It has higher speed operation. That means you can the speed of on-off time is very high, and another main advantage is it cannot occur spark. That means it is sparkless. So there are two problems which can be neglected or nullified or overcome by using electronic advantages of electronic switch. Now the electronic switch has high switching speed, so you can on or off circuit quickly. The sparking does not occur when at the time of breaking period. So there is no sparking occurs across the terminal. Third, size and weight of this electronic switch are small, and it takes little space. Now the cost of electronic switch is less, and there is no rotating part, so there is no problem related with friction. It also reduces the